Good afternoon everyone. So welcome back to today's online session of grade 3rd. Hope you all are doing well with your online studies. You all are using your time wisely in doing studies. Okay children? Before going to start our today's class, let us revise our last class. Okay, what we have learned in the last class children? What we have learned? Yes, anyone? Adjectives, right? We have learned adjectives in the last class. Okay. So what do you mean by adjectives, children? What is the meaning of adjectives? Yes, adjectives are the describing words. Okay, children? Adjectives are the describing words which describes noun or pronoun. Adjectives are the describing words which describes noun or pronoun. Noun means name of the animals. Okay, animals, places, things. Okay, animals, places, things and person. Okay, adjectives are the words which describes person, places, animals and things. Okay children, so adjectives are the words, they are used to describe the quality, the shape, the size, okay, the number, the color of the nouns. Okay children, these are the adjectives. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. What is the meaning of describe children? Varnane. Okay, in Kannada we call it as ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Okay, describing words are the adjectives which describe the noun or pronoun in sentences. They describes the quality, the shape, the size. Okay children, the size, the color, the shape, the quality. Okay, they describe the quality, the shape, size of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay children, so now let us start our today's class. What is our today's topic children? Yes, our today's topic is kinds of adjective. In today's class we are going to learn kinds of adjectives. Okay children, for your 3rd standard grade, only 3 kinds of adjectives we are going to learn children. Okay, so the first one is adjective of quality. Okay, first one is adjective of quality, second one is adjective of quantity. Okay, and third one is adjective of number. Okay, there are 6 kinds of adjectives are there. Only we are going to study 3 of them. Okay, remaining you will study in the 4th grade. Okay children, only 3 of them, which are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjectives of number. Okay, let us study the first kind, that is adjective of quality. Okay children, the first kind means type. So which is the first kind of adjective children? Adjective of quality. What is the meaning of adjective of quality children? Adjective of quality are the describing words which describes the kind or the nature. Okay, which describes the kind or nature of a person or thing is called adjective of quality. Okay children, so what is the meaning of adjective of quality? Adjective of quality describes the kind, which kind of a person is, which kind of a thing is. Okay, nature or kind. The words which describes nature or kind of a person or thing is known as adjective of quality. Okay, we have some examples here for the adjective of quality. Strong, little, small, beautiful, hard and good. Okay, these are the adjective of quality. Okay children. So what is our today's topic children? Our today's topic is kinds of adjectives. What we are going to learn in today's class children? In today's class we are going to learn adjective of quality. Okay. In today's class, we are going to learn kinds of adjectives. So, in kinds of adjectives, we have three kinds here. Okay. Here, in kinds of adjectives, we are going to study today three kinds of adjectives. So, which is the first one, children? Which is the first one? First one is adjective of quality and the second one is adjective of quantity and the third one is adjective of number. Okay children. So in kinds of adjective there are 6 kinds of adjectives are there. Okay. For your third standard grade we are going to learn only 3 of them. Which are those children? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Okay. So the first one is here adjective of quality. Okay. Adjective of quality. So what do you mean by adjective of quality children? What is the meaning of adjective of quality? Yes, adjective of quality is describing the kind or the nature of a person or thing. Okay children, adjective of quality is describing the kind or the nature of a person or thing. Okay children, this adjective of quality is describing which kind of a person, which kind of a thing is. Okay, have you got it? What is the meaning of adjective of quality children? The words which describes the kind or the nature of a person or things are called adjective of quality. This is the kind of adjective, first kind of adjective, that is adjective of quality. Okay. So what is the meaning of adjective of quality? The words which describe the kind and nature. Okay. We have some examples over here children. What are strong, little, small, beautiful, hard and good. Okay. These are the some of the quality of the adjectives. These words are showing the quality of adjectives. Okay children. Have you got it? Here we have some examples for adjective of quality. Strong, little, small, beautiful, hard and good are denoting the quality of the noun. Okay children, now let us see how we have to use the quality, adjective of quality words in sentences. Okay children, here we have the first example. Remember children, adjective of quantity always answers the question for what kind of a person is. Okay, adjective of quantity always answers the question for what kind of a person or what kind of a thing is. Okay children, so look at the first sentence over here. What it says children? Look at the first sentence. What it says? The hungry cats are crying. Okay, the hungry cats are crying. So which word is the adjective here children? Which word is adjective here? Children, which word is adjective here? Hungry. Okay, which word is adjective here? Hungry. So here hungry is adjective which is describing the noun. Which is the noun here? Cats are the noun. So here hungry is the quality. Here hungry is the adjectives. Okay, that is denoting, that is the describing the noun cats. Okay children, here adjective is hungry, that is describing the noun cat. So here hungry is denoting the adjective of quality. Okay, let us see. Look at the second sentence children. What is second sentence says children? It says the voice owl. Okay children, the voice owl. So which is the adjective here? Voice. Okay children, here voice is adjective. So here voice is describing the noun owl. Okay, voice is denoting the adjective of quality. Okay, voice is denoting the adjective of quality, that is of noun owl. Okay. So which word is here adjective children? Which word is here adjective? Voice is adjective which is describing the noun owl. Okay, voice is here adjective which is describing the owl. Okay, owl is here noun. Okay, here voice is describing the noun. So voice is here adjective. Okay. Look at the third sentence children. What it says? Look at the third sentence. Heavy rain is expected in the evening. Okay. Heavy rain is expected in the evening. So which word is adjective here children? Which word is adjective here? Heavy. Okay. So here heavy is adjective which is describing the noun rain. So here heavy is denoting the quality of a rain. Okay. So rain is here noun. So heavy is describing the noun rain. Okay, have you got it children? Heavy is adjective which is describing noun. Noun is here rain. Okay. Look at the fourth sentence children. In fourth sentence we have, I saw an interesting movie last night. I saw an interesting movie last night. So here which word is adjective children? Interesting. Interesting word is here adjective. Interesting word is adjective which describes movie. Noun. Okay, which describes the noun movie. Okay, interesting here showing the denoting the quality of adjective. The next sentence we have here, she is wearing a beautiful gown. So which word is adjective here children? Beautiful. So beautiful word is denoting the quality of the quality of noun, that is gown. Gown is here noun. So beautiful is describing the gown. Okay. So beautiful is adjective. The next we have, the quick fox caught a little pig. The quick fox caught a little pig. Okay. So here quick is the adjective that is denoting the quality of a fox. Okay. And little is also adjective. Little pig. Okay. So here we have two adjectives, little and quick. What kind of a thing or person is. Quality is denoting what kind of a person or thing is. Whether it is little or whether it is quick animal. Okay children. So here gown is noun. Okay. Beautiful is describing gown. Here fox is noun. And quick is describing the noun fox. Here little is adjective that is describing the noun pig. Have you got it children? Now let us study the second kind of adjective, and that is adjective of quantity. Okay children, the second kind is adjective of quantity. So what do you mean by adjective of quantity children? Adjective of quantity are the words which describes how much a thing is mean. Okay, how much a thing is mean. Here the second one is adjective of quantity. Okay. Okay, the second one kind is adjective of quantity. So here adjective of quantity are the describing words which describes how much of a thing or person is. Okay children? The words which describes how much of a thing is mean. Okay children, so what do you mean? What do you mean by adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity are the words which describes how much of a thing is mean. Okay children? And these adjective of quantity answers the question of how much. Okay? These words answers the question for how much. Okay children, these words are answering the question for how much. Okay children, now let us see some examples for adjective of quantity. Okay, here little, some, okay, few, enough, several, all, no are the quantity words. Okay children, little, some, enough, several, these are the quantity words. Okay, let us use these quantity words in sentences. How we gonna use the quantity words in sentences? Let us see children. Here the first one is give me some milk. Okay, give me some milk. The second one is few. I do not have few chocolates in my bag. I do not have any chocolates in my bag. And the third one is children, there is enough juice there is enough juice for my breakfast. Okay children, there is enough juice for my breakfast. Look at the first sentence, children. Which word is adjective of quantity here? Some. So here some word is adjective of quantity which describes, which gives the answers for how much. Okay, here how much milk? Some milk. Okay, so some is here adjective of quantity which describes the noun milk. Okay, so here milk is noun. So some is here adjective of quantity. Okay, it gives the answers for how much milk, some milk. Okay, look at the second one, children. I do not have any chocolates in my bag. So which word is here adjective of quantity, children? So here any word is adjective of quantity which describes how much, which denote how much chocolates. Okay, this any word is gives the answers for how much chocolates. Here any is adjective which describes the noun chocolates. Okay, children. The next one is, look at the third sentence, children. There is enough juice for my breakfast. So in third sentence, which word is the adjective, children? Which word is adjective here? Enough. Okay, how much juice? Enough juice. So here enough is the adjective which gives the answers for how much. Okay, so these any, some, enough are the adjective of quantity words. Okay, these are the quantity words. Let us see two more examples for this. She wants to buy little sugar. She wants to buy little sugar. Fifth one, all work and no play. All work and no play makes Jack dull boy. Okay, children. So here she wants to buy little sugar. So which word is adjective of quantity here? Little. So little is showing the quantity. How much sugar? Little sugar. So little is the adjective which gives the answers for how much. Okay. How much sugar? Little sugar. So little is here quantity words. Okay, it shows the quantity of a thing. Let's look at the fifth one, children. All work and no play makes Jack dull boy. So which word is here adjective? No. Okay, no is here adjective which shows the quantity of play. Okay, so no is here adjective and all is also adjective which shows the quantity. All shows the quantity. No also shows the quantity of adjective, quantity of noun. Okay, children. Now let us study the third kind of adjective. Which is the third kind, children? Adjective of number. Okay. The third one is adjective of number. So what do you mean by adjective of number, children? What do you mean by adjective of number? The words which shows, the words which describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. How many? Okay. The word, the adjective of number shows or describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay. The third one is adjective of number. This is the third kind, children. Adjective of number. So, the adjective of number describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay. The words that describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay, children, these adjective of number describes, use the answers for how many things, how many persons, okay, which person, what kind, what, in what order of a thing, okay. So these adjective of number gives the answers for how many, which or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay, children, let us see some examples for the adjective of number. So the first one we have here, they have 3 children. They have 3 children. I saw 4 cars in showroom. Okay, third one is, my friend has 3 kittens. She is 10 years old. Okay, children, so these are the full examples for adjective of number which shows how many. Okay. Look at the first one, what it says, they have 3 children. So which word is adjective here? Adjective of number. Okay, the number which is denoting the number of a noun. Okay, so here they have 3 children. So 3 is here adjective which describes the children. How many children? 3 children, which gives the answers for how many things or how many persons. Here 3 children. 3 is here adjective. Look at the second one, children. I saw 4 cars in showroom. So which is the adjective here? Cars. Sorry. 4. 4 is here adjective which describes the noun cars. Okay. How many cars? 4 cars. Okay. So 4 is here adjective. Look at the third one, children. My friend has 3 kittens. So here 3 is the adjective which denote the adjective of number and which gives the answers for how many kittens. 3 kittens. So which is the adjective here? 3. Okay. Let us see the fourth one. She is 10 years old. Okay. So which is the adjective of number here? 10. 10 is the adjective of number which describes, which gives the answers for how many. Okay. 10 years. So here 10 is describing the years. Okay, children. So let us revise our today's class once again. So how many kinds are there, children? There are 6 kinds. Okay, we have learned only 3 of them. So the first one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. Okay, Adjective of quality describes what kind of a person or thing is. Adjective of quantity describes how much of a thing is need. Adjective of number describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay children, have you got it? Now you have to take your homework children. Write down your homework children. Write down your homework everyone. Write 5 examples for the each kind of adjective. Okay children, you have to write 5 examples for each kind. Okay, you have to write for adjective of quality 5 example, adjective of quantity 5 example, adjective of number 5 example. Okay, you have to write it in your homework notebook. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's class. Now it is time to say bye bye children. Let us meet in the next session with the new topic.